Watering is a crucial aspect of maintaining a healthy garden. Proper watering techniques can help promote strong plant growth, prevent issues like overwatering or underwatering, and ensure your garden thrives. Here are some of the best watering techniques for a healthy garden. 1. Water deeply and infrequently. Instead of watering your garden lightly every day, water deeply and less frequently. This encourages plants to develop deep and strong root systems. Deep watering allows the water to penetrate the soil, reaching the roots where it's needed most. 2. Water in the morning. Water your garden in the early morning, preferably before 10 a.m. This helps minimize water loss due to evaporation and allows the plants to absorb the water before the heat of the day. 3. Use a soaker hose or drip irrigation. Soaker hoses and drip irrigation systems are efficient ways to water your garden. They deliver water directly to the root zone, reducing water wastage and preventing foliage diseases caused by overhead watering. 4. Mulch the soil. Applying a layer of organic mulch around your plants helps retain soil moisture, reduces weed growth, and regulates soil temperature. Mulch also protects the soil from drying out quickly in hot weather. 5. Avoid watering foliage. Try to water the base of the plants and avoid getting water on the foliage. Wet foliage can lead to fungal diseases, especially if the water sits on the leaves overnight. 6. Monitor soil moisture. Check the soil moisture regularly using your finger or a moisture meter. Water when the top inch or two of soil feels dry. Avoid letting the soil become overly dry or waterlogged. 7. Adjust watering based on weather conditions. Be flexible with your watering schedule. In hot and dry weather, you may need to water more frequently, while in cooler and rainy periods, you can reduce the frequency. 8. Group plants with similar watering needs. Group plants with similar water requirements together. This way, you can tailor your watering approach for different areas of the garden. Optimizing water usage. 9. Consider rainwater harvesting. If possible, collect rainwater in barrels or containers to use for watering your garden. Rainwater is free of chemicals and has the right pH for most plants. 10. Water newly planted seedlings and transplants with care. Newly planted seedlings and transplants require extra attention. Water them gently and consistently until they establish their root systems. By following these watering techniques, you can maintain a healthy and thriving garden while being mindful of water conservation and environmental sustainability.